In this question, two statements are given. We have to find out the correct answer based on the given two statements. In the first statement, it says that the complex CONH3 6 times 3 plus is a homoleptic complex. And at the same time, CONH3 4 times Cl2 plus is a heteroleptic complex. First of all, let's see what are homoleptic complexes and heteroleptic complexes. Homoleptic complexes has only one type of ligand surrounding the central metal atom or central metal ion. And at the same time, and in case of heteroleptic complexes, it contains more than one type of ligand coordinated to the central metal atom or ions. Now let's come to the first complex, CONH3 6 times 3 plus. Here we can see that cobalt metal is surrounded by 6 ammonia ligands. So only one kind of ligand is present. It means this is a homoleptic complex. And in the second one, it is given CONH3 4 times Cl2. That is, cobalt is surrounded by two types of ligand. One is ammonia and the other one is chlorine. So this is a kind of heteroleptic complex. Hence we can say the first statement is correct. In the second statement, it says that the complex CONH3 6 times 3 plus has only one kind of ligand and CONH3 4 times Cl2 plus has more than one kind of ligands. This is also correct as we discussed now. So from these options, option C is the correct one. That is, both the statements are true.